In this episode, we're trying to get the engine ready for our 1982 Pontiac Trans Am that we're supposed to take to No Name Nationals in Sikeston, Missouri.
We are going to the AHRA No Name Nationals.
We're just a few weeks away and the engine is still in pieces. So let's get to it to see if we can make any progress on this engine before time runs out.
Oh, hey, thanks for checking out this video. The time has finally come that I've been waiting for. We've decided to put this 327 in our 88 Pontiac Trans Am for No Name Nationals coming up in September. This engine has been sitting in the back of the 1988 OBS Chevy truck for 15 years or more. It definitely needs gone through. I want to pull all the internals out of this engine, check everything that I can to make sure it's somewhat within spec. I'm going to clean it up, and I've already got some parts here. Hopefully everything I have is going to fit and I can start assembly. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. Too soft. Oh, crap. That's not good for it. Oh, that stinks. It smells like burnt charred stuff. Wow, this thing's nasty. These all have some scoring, but not horrible. Dang it! Drop another one. I do not have very good luck with dropping things. That main looks nice. Looks about the same. All right, I've got all my piston and rods in this container with degreaser. I've got a variety of brushes and picks. Start with the one I dropped. There we go.
If the .035 will fit, I'm gonna take it to have the block decked.
So that's a good sign. I did not want to have to have any machine work done to this besides what I'm doing with pounding it. All right, well, I'm gonna call this block good. I'm almost ready to go to the next step on this engine. I want to paint it. I need to change the cam bearings, hone the cylinders, and do all that stuff. All right, so there you go. That's honing it with our three stone hone. It's not perfect. Still got some lines in it, but it looks like it's better than it was, and hopefully our rings will seal up pretty decent. So next I'm gonna clean this up, try to get all this old orange paint off of the block. We're gonna paint it a nice black. Okay, this thing's cleaned up. I've got a punch, a hammer, and some pliers. I want to pop these freeze plugs out, get new ones installed before I finish cleaning this in paint. Well, don't go the whole way in. Whoop. That one went down in, but that's what these are for. This sucker out of here. Finally, oh, I shoved that one in too. go. Look at that perfect hole.
Alright, before I get any primer on this thing, I need to get new soft plugs in place. Now I'm going to start by brushing on some rusty metal primer. With the primer dry, I can brush on some paint to finish it up. Now that the block is prepped, clean, and painted, we can get to working on the cylinder heads and assembling this engine. And that's when the build's really gonna start fighting back. If you like automotive content like this, subscribe to follow along as we try to get this build ready for No Name Nationals. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.